Good morning, students. Till now we are complete 6th chapter, that is computer, my friend, computer, a machine, uses of a computer, parts of a computer, the keyboard, using a mouse. So today we start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, drawing with a computer. So in this chapter we are see that how to use Microsoft Paint tool for the drawing or coloring the pictures. So for that I am showing one video to you of that chapter. So watch this video and then we start with our question answers.
Hello children, let's have some fun with drawing and coloring. Let's draw kites below by joining the dots with the help of a pencil. Use an eraser to erase any wrong line. Fill the picture with colors. Students, let us now understand how to open Paint. Click on Start button. Choose All Programs. Choose Accessories. Click on Paint. Now, let us look at the parts of Paint window. Paint button contains different options to work in Paint. Quick Access toolbar contains the buttons which do common tasks. Ribbon is made up of tabs and groups. Tab contains tools arranged in different groups. Okay, let us learn how to draw a rectangle. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Rectangle tool in the Shapes group. Select the blue color from the Colors group. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes into a plus sign. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse to draw a rectangle. Release the mouse button when a rectangle is made. Now, let us learn how to draw a circle. Click on the Home tab. Select the Oval tool from Shapes group and colors of your choice from the Colors group. Click on the Size button. Select the width for the selected tool. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw a circle. Now let us learn how to draw a straight line. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Line tool in the Shapes group. Select any color from the Colors group and the line thickness from the Size button. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Note that a line is drawn on the screen while dragging the mouse. Release the mouse button when you want to end the line. Students, let me give you a tip now. To draw a straight line, press and hold down the Shift key while dragging the mouse on the drawing area. Alright, let me now tell you how to erase a drawing. The eraser tool is used to erase any part of a picture. Select the eraser tool from the tools group. Choose any size of the eraser by clicking on the options in the size button. A square will appear in the drawing area. Hold down the left mouse button. Move it on the area you want to erase. Now we shall discuss about selecting the brush tool. Click on the brushes tool from the tools group. Select any brush type from the options. Select any color from the colors group. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold down the left button of the mouse and drag the mouse to draw different lines. Students, let me now explain how to fill an object with color. To fill an object with any color, click on the Fill with Color tool in the Tools group. Select the color of your choice. Move the mouse pointer to the object that you want to fill. Click the left mouse button. The color will be filled in the object.
Okay students, hope you understand the chapter. It is so easy because I think at home you already start drawing picture or coloring the picture with the help of paint. So this tool is familiar with you. Now we start with our question answer session.
Write T for true or F for false statements.
In that first one is, paint program is used to make a drawing on a computer. So it is true. Paint program is used to make a drawing on a computer. Okay. Next one is, to draw a straight line, hold down the control key. So it is false. If you want to draw a straight line, so then we have to use a shift key. So this answer is on page number 48, drawing a straight line. In that, after the drawing a straight line, there is one tip. So in a red color it is written that a shift key. Next question, we can draw a square using a rectangular tool. So it is true. With the help of rectangular tool we can draw a square. Next one, eraser tool is used to paint the picture. It is false because with the help of eraser we can erase a picture, okay, or erase anything that we don't want. Next question,
take the best answer.
In that first one, where do we make drawing in a paint? So with the help of drawing area, means that the white sheet we use to draw a, or we use a drawing area to drawing a picture. Next question, which tool is used to draw a straight line? So with the help of line tool we can draw a straight line. Next question, which tool is used to erase a drawing? So with the help of eraser we can erase a drawing. Last question, which tool is used to draw a circle? So with the help of oval tool we can draw a circle. Now next question,
answer in one word.
So first one, which button is used to change the thickness of a line? So with the help of size button, so there is no space, size button, or you can just write as a size. So this answer is present on a same drawing a straight line, page number 48. In that, in a blue color, there is a written as a size button in a second point. Next question, which tool is used to fill color in object? So answer is fill with color. So this is the answer which is present on page number 51, filling an object with a color point. In that, in a blue color, it is written in a first point, fill with color. So this is the answer for the second question.
Rearrange the jumbled letters to make a meaningful word.
So in this, what we have to do, we have to write a proper word with the help of the jumbled letters. So first answer is paint. Next is tools, TOOLS. Next is oval, OVAL, oval. And last one is color, COLOR. So we finish with this our chapter number 7. If you not understand, repeat this video again and again. Watch this video, then write down the question answers in textbooks and notebook both. If you have any query, any doubt, write in comment box. Thank you.